We have with us Bhavik Mehta, Vice Research President at Century Financials. Welcome with us, Bhavik, for being with us. First, let us talk about what is moving the Emirati markets at the time being. We are getting closer to Eid, so what are the triggers?
First of all, thank you for having me on the show. It's a pleasure always. So, it's a very interesting point that you mentioned regarding the Eid. So we are just approaching the start of the April month's trading. Historically, the bullishness in the April markets is visible across all the major global equity indices. But if you look at the overall trend for Gulf indices, specifically the Dubai markets and the Abu Dhabi markets, there seems to be a lot of buying activity, seasonal related buying activity near to the Eid month. Now, April interestingly has also been positive as far as oil prices are concerned. So overall, the regional sentiment it seems is going to firm up very much on a bullish side for the April month. So we are expecting a lot of buying that's expected to take place over the course of next 1 month.
There are some news related to some companies such as ADNOC and other companies. So to what extent the news of those companies are moving the stocks in the markets?
Well, if you talk about companies like ADNOC and all, primarily we're talking about Abu Dhabi markets wherein we are expecting some kind of secondary sales or even a follow-on offer. So that might again take out the liquidity from the main secondary markets with the people trying to subscribe to these secondary offers. But nevertheless, I mean, not just Dubai, but the overall Gulf markets seem to be supported by very good liquidity profiles. So it wouldn't be much a big factor, but most of the trends as far as Abu Dhabi stocks, including ADNOC, TAQA, it's primarily going to be dependent on how the oil price trajectory moves forward.
Are there any incentives that will change the technical levels of the indices? We're talking about 5,000 points for Dubai. It was 9,400 in Abu Dhabi.
Dubai markets DFM index 5100 is I think corresponding to the 100-day SMA. Likewise, for the Abu Dhabi markets, 9300 9250 zone is corresponding increasingly with the 200-day SMA. So the moment historically, whenever the indices have come to these levels, we have seen some kind of technical buying by traders, by investors. So we cannot rule out chances of an immediate spike or a bounce back simply on the basis of the technical buying.
Bhavik Mehta, thank you so much for being
Thank
with
you.
us. It was a pleasure hosting you as usual. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.